Hello, everyone. Today I have a special treat. This is a James brand The Barnes. Very special knife. I just got it in, and I'm going to wear gloves. Let's put them on, and let's take this very attractive knife out. Alright, so slider box comes out on that side. Let's set this guy aside. And you lift this here. Put that guy aside. This is a cloth. How do I do this with these gloves? Just pull it up this way, perhaps. It's like a microfiber or something. It's their modified arrowhead symbol. It's a coin. And let's hold on to the coin. It's the wood block here. There's nothing underneath. Let's hold this coin and flip the knife in my hand. Alright, let's move this box out of the way. I'll set it there for now. Oh, the handles, or in this case, this is a channel milled knife, which is one piece of tie. There is a fulcrum point here for the frame lock, and I believe this pocket clip is removable. There is a screw inside. I probably will possibly remove that for this paracord, but one piece of TI. Unbelievable. These thumb studs here, it's quite strong, so I can't push it with my thumb. Let's try the other side. Does that work? I'm going to hold on to the frame. That doesn't work either. So let's hold on to the studs a little bit. Very strong there. And we'll flip it up. This is a 390 steel. Incredible grind. Look at that switch all the way to the end. A little bit of jimping here. Let's see how's that fit. Oh, right in the perfect spot. Can we do the? Can we choke up? No, we cannot. Which would be extremely dangerous. Look at that grind. Look at that 390. And there's a screw right here to remove the belt clip or the paracord. And solid block of TI. Incredible. Let's look a little bit deeper in there. We have a material here to keep the frame lock. Is that in? That is in. So this material doesn't make a lot of contact with the tang, but it is cut at a small angle there. But wow. And there's a balance somewhere right about there. A little bit more. There it is. Right about there. Not hanging on to anything. This knife is listed for $599. Shipping, or taxes rather, I paid about $650, and it arrived in about 3 days. The craftsmanship on this is unbelievable. I usually don't put gloves on and do paper tests or pocket clip tests, but I'm going to do so in this video. So let's get a piece of paper and see what we got. How sharp is this? Oh, for sure. Let's try a different side. Let's try a different side. Should it be more aggressive? Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay. Let's try this pocket clip. It looks like it is only in one position. Is that correct? Yes, there's a detent for the pocket clip. If you can see that, it is cut away only on one area. Oh, let me grab a shirt. Here's a Ben Davis shirt. Let's get some more space. Standard Ben Davis work shirt. Let's see how far it goes down. Oh, it's a pretty strong belt clip. There it goes. And the pocket itself, there's a little bit more space. Then the handle ends right here. Let's pull this out. And I have a lot of knives. So this is straight from my collection. I don't like sandwich knives. I do have a lot of sandwich knives because they are available. They cut very well. But I had things like the Cold Steel, Triple Action, which is a channel, the Benchmade Balisong 50 series, which are also channel. And over time, the sandwich knives the screws rattle out. And the James brand does make other knives that are sandwich construction, but when I got wind of this, oh my god, this is some next level stuff. It's not for the lighthearted. You've got to be definitely way into the craftsmanship for something like this, and I definitely am. I mean, if they come out with a flipper, either way, or a mechanism, assisted mechanism, I'm in. But this is incredible. And I had another review lined up for a completely different knife, but I just had to do this right away. So I'm going to put this down so that I can access my phone's controls. Take my gloves off. Stay tuned. Definitely more to come. And bye.